Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your panel heater. It might be useful if you've messed up something with the Wi-Fi or you just want to put it back to factory settings. So at the moment you can see it says 26. When we go to reset it, it should turn itself back on at around 22. Also, you will know it's reset because it will go up through this counting process. Now, we need to hit this button and this button together, the timer and the power on, but you can only do it after you've turned the appliance off. So this is hardwired in, but you might have it plugged in. So what you want to do is you want to turn it off and you want to turn it off at the mains. Unplug it, make sure that there's no power getting to it. Then we're going to plug it back in, or in this instance turn it on here. And what we want to do is we want to turn it on and we want to hit those two buttons for around 3 seconds, and that will factory reset it. So turn it on, hold these two buttons down, keep holding them. Now, can you see it's beep there? And look, this is it factory resetting now. You can see it counting up. There we go. So that is it. That has now been factory reset. It's as easy as that. So if you're having any problems, try doing that first of all, because that might solve whatever issue you're having. Thanks for watching.